Hi, in front of me is Realme 7i, and today I would like to show you how you can operate sound recorder on this device. First of all, locate folder tools and click on it. Now go into recorder and tap agree. Click allow, tap on the red button to start the recording and click on the same button in order to pause it. You can unpause it the same way. Now if you want to end your recording, tap on this right button over here, enter name of it and click save. As you can see, my recording was successfully made and saved. If you wish to delete it, you need to hold it, click the bin icon at the bottom right corner over here and choose delete all recordings. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!